Hey guys, I'm going to be doing a vlog today. Yes, I have no eyebrows on. I look like shit. Literally just woke up like 3 hours ago or so, but I'm going to be showing you pretty much like a very real, honest weekend of my life. I'm going to be showing you what I cook on the weekends. I'm going to be showing you, so this is pretty much going to be today is Saturday. I'm going to be filming Sunday as well, and I'm going to be showing you guys what I normally do in my day-to-day life. Stay tuned and I'll show you. So first I'm thinking about doing a little bit of makeup. Obviously I can't go outside with no brows. People are gonna think something's wrong with me. So let's just color all this shit in so I don't scare people. And yes, I am recording off my phone right now. I just don't feel like using my camera and plugging in all the shit. So the first product I'm going to be using, since it's like, I think it's like 2 or 1 o'clock and my mom wants to go out. So I'm going to be using the Tiger Grass Color Correcting Treatment with SPF 30 sunscreen. It's really good for redness and blocking, color correcting all those out. This is what it looks like. It's pretty good. I like to use it on my face mostly. Sometimes I'll use it on my neck if it's really sunny outside. I just don't want to get any sun damage or any of that. So this actually does really pretty well for my face because I am very olive tone. So I'm just going to be putting just a little bit on. I'm not going to be doing like a drastic makeup look because this is just a very lazy weekend that I normally go through. So I'm just going to be showing you guys how I'm doing this. Like, it's green, but it matches to my skin so well. You see what I mean? It literally looks like foundation. Alright, I'm just gonna be coloring in my brows next. Alrighty, I just got done with my brows and I'm thinking about putting a little bit of dry shampoo in my hair because I always like to go a few days without washing my hair, so I don't like stripping the oils right away. So I am gonna be putting some of that in my hair, which I really like to do. So I'm gonna be bringing you guys to the store with me so we can see what's up and what's new in the Sally's. So we'll see. Alrighty, so I just got my Just Do It pants on. Just do it, yes bitch. Didn't think these would fit me, but they actually do, and I was really surprised. They do. Ooh. I don't know why the flash is on. I actually need to get that off. So I'm just gonna change into my other shirt. I wore this shirt for nighttime, which I don't know if it's copyright because it's Billy on it. So I'll change into something else. I'll be right back. By the way, when I say dry shampoo, I'm really talking about baby powder. It works exactly the same. When I was younger, I used to actually put this all over my face as baking. It worked okay. It's just really dry, and I would not recommend this. But it works if you are an oily person. Like, I don't have that much oils in my hair as for right now, but I can see it kind of coming through a little bit. And yeah, I just don't feel like washing my hair at the moment. So I'm just gonna be using this. This works, like I said, exactly the same as dry shampoo. So I'll be right back. Now, I don't like this camera. Like, I like my phone, but man, the lighting just looks like shit. So excuse it. Like I said, you don't even need that much. You can like use like exactly like this much. It works pretty good. Just like put it into your hands. Now, if you have black hair, it might make you look a little gray, so be careful with that. I just don't like using sprays and stuff like that because then, I don't know, I just feel like it takes too long. But you see, it already just helped us so freaking much. You know what I mean? Look at that. It just helped like dry it up so much, which is exactly what I was going for. Now, I don't typically like to brush it through because then you end up taking the oils and going right back over it. So leave it where it's at, exactly where you have it at, like what I'm doing right now. Yeah, it looks a little messy, but that'll do, dog. Yeah, man, that'll do. So see, it doesn't look bad at all. I liked it. This is what I use. It doesn't smell like anything but baby powder. I think it's pretty good. Take you guys on with me. I'm gonna be heading to Sally's Beauties. We'll see if we can find anything. I'm not really going there to get something, but my mom is, so see you guys there. Hi, baby. Hi, yeah, so cute. Alrighty, so this is what I'm making for dinner. Okay, this is chicken thighs. They have been in here for about a day and a half, which that's okay because it's recommended for 24. It's recommended for 24 hours, so that's okay. And these are chicken thighs with soy sauce, brown sugar, ginger, garlic, a cup of soy sauce, a cup of pineapple juice, and it's really good. So I'm gonna cut these up, and then I'm gonna make fried rice as well. Alrighty, now I got the rice going. This is hard-boiled rice, and still got the chicken going right now. I added just a little bit of olive oil because I didn't want it to burn because it does have sugar in it. Forgot to mention that. There is a whole cup of sugar in here. And then this, once this boils, put a lid on it. It should be good to go. And then I'll show you guys how I fry it up, which this is my first time making fried rice, so this could easily go to shit. So let's see how it goes. Hey guys, I was just letting you know that this is the end of the vlog. It is, I think, 9:40 right now. I'm gonna go ahead and probably head to bed. I got my really cute pajamas on. I think it was my grandma's. But good night guys, I love you guys so much. And go ahead and like, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next vlog, which will probably be tomorrow. Good night.